Hi everyone, this is D Queen Rosie again, and today's video is about unboxing August 2015 boxycharm because I got it this morning. I got my boxycharm, so are you guys ready? Because I am. I already opened it just before I taped the video or started taping the video, so it's gonna be open, but I haven't really gone through the stuff yet. So yep, so this is my box for this month, and the theme is gorgeous glow bed router. I'm not sure if I read it right. It comes with a postcard like that, and it has the prices in the back. It says, "Dear Charmers, book a ticket, pack a bag, and let Wanderlust be your guide. This month we're seeing the world and exploring destinations unknown." And it has a thing you can do, and you can win at least worth of 250 boxycharm. So yep, I'm excited. So let's see. The first thing I got here is like a card about Neo's Shield Style Protect. So I believe this is gonna be this one, what comes in this card. Oops. It's a leave-in conditioner, natural shine with Moroccan argan oil with SPF 15 for scalp freeze control, sunburn shield, hair color and texture protection. I like the sound of that. Well, summer is almost ending, so it's still good to go in the beach, and you can use a leave-in conditioner with an SPF that will be really good for your scalp. And that one is full size for $26. This $26. Wow, it already bought a box. And it says year-round color texture protection with a light natural hold combined SPF 15 sunscreen. Vitamin E and B5 hydrate and nourish your hair, while the built-in SPF sunscreen protects hair color and texture and scalp sunburn. Nice. So our next item would be this So Susan highlighting crayon. So Susan highlighting crayon, and this one is full size for $20. It says add a glow to your complexion with So Susan Statement Skin Highlighting Crayon. Its unique chiseled head enables you to cover large areas of the face or target small pinpoint ones like your Cupid's bow, all without using a brush. Powdered by organic chia seed to help keep skin softly hydrated with silk peptide to promote skin suppleness and elasticity. So let's open this. Oh look, it's so cute. It says say hello, and it has a Instagram. Yeah, sorry, it's not gonna really. So it has no mineral oils, no phthalates, and it's organic. So yep. So it comes like this. Has that rolling up and down. And let's swatch it a little bit for you. Ooh, it's nice. It's pretty. See that? Nice. It actually looked good on my skin tone. I like it. So let me put it back. So yep. So that's a So Susan highlighting crayon. The next one would be Mika Beauty Cosmetics. It's this one, and it's a gel liner. I don't think I'm gonna swatch it because I'm not sure yet if I want to keep it or give it away. So this is Mica Beauty Gel Eyeliner. It's perfect for drawing attention to your eyes without smudging or fading. Lasts longer than regular eyeliners, and it's this quick, dry, smudge-proof liner. And this one, for this thing, is $35. $35. Wow. And I believe that one comes also with this Seta eyeliner brush. This is full size for $16. And it says, achieve a flawless line with this eyeliner brush from Seta. Perfect for applying gel or cream-based eyeliners. So let's see. I like the color. It's like bluish. Ooh. I think this would be good for a gel eyeliner. It's really, the tip is really pointy. See that? And I believe it is synthetic, so I like this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this because I only have one gel liner and I kind of have a hard time using it. And the last but not the least would be the the third revealed palette. And it says by Coastal Scents, by the way. And it is Coastal Scents Revealed 3 palette. The Revealed 3 palette features 20 all new elegant eyeshadows in a stunning variety of hues and texture. And this one is $39.95 and now is on sale for $19.95. So still, it is a good choice, or it's a good buy. So let me try open it really quick. Sorry. Alrighty guys, I got it opened. Let me take it out of the box. I haven't any Coastal Scents products before, so this is gonna be my first Coastal Scent, and I heard good things about them. So, oh, nice. See that? Let me swatch some colors for you. Let me try. This one is the. I swatched this one, and this is the color of it. I like that. And let me try 2 more. I'm swatching this one. They're really pigmented and shimmery, so yep, that's it. And last one, I would say somewhere in the bottom would be this one. I'm gonna swatch that. It's pretty. It looks nice for highlighting. But yep, that's it. So this is my August boxycharm box, and I love it. I got a reveal palette. I got a Mica eyeliner gel eyeliner with a brush in it from Seta, and the So Susan highlighting crayon, and this leave-in conditioner. So yep, that's my boxycharm this month, and I hope you guys subscribe and like my video. So see you guys next time.